A close-up view of an industrial shredder shows large rotating blades crushing a heavy concrete block.
A robotic arm in a warehouse efficiently picks up large sacks of material and stacks them on a pallet. A hose submerged in a muddy ditch is shown drawing water from the mud to irrigate a field. A factory worker operates a guillotine-style machine to cut large blocks of wood into smaller, evenly sized pieces.
A man uses an industrial machine to cut the metal lid and flatten a large empty oil drum.
A person uses an industrial belt sander to remove rust and smooth a metal part, creating sparks in the process. A specialized concrete mixer truck with a front-end loader demonstrates its ability to independently load, mix, and pour concrete on a construction site. A small tracked concrete pump with a long boom operates in various locations, including a construction site and a muddy canal bank.
A man at a factory stacks heavy bags of material coming off a conveyor belt onto a pallet.
A fleet of large excavators with specialized circular saw attachments are used to precisely cut through hard rock at a quarry. A close-up video shows a waterjet cutting machine precisely carving and shaping a stone surface with high-pressure water. A hot metal vessel is placed inside a forging press, which then reshapes it into a different, more conical shape. A technician uses a spot welder to attach metal strips, creating a battery pack from multiple cylindrical batteries. A red tractor equipped with a specialized planting and mulching attachment efficiently plants and covers crop rows. A close-up view shows a person using a specialized tool to apply and smooth caulk along the edge of a window. A farmer drives a unique tractor with a trailer, while others carry and place rolls of young rice plants into a muddy paddy field for planting. Factory machine dips rows of whole chickens into a large boiling vat of liquid to cook them in a large-scale food production process. A dumpling-making machine automatically folds and seals dumpling wrappers, producing a continuous line of perfectly formed dumplings. A worker uses a mobile, compact machine with a conveyor belt to transfer fertilizer from a bag into a planting machine. A person feeds tall weeds into a small shredder, which mulches and sprays the remains into a lake. A lathe machine precisely carves and shapes a wooden block, turning it into a flute with perfectly spaced finger holes.
A large machine automatically loads a truck bed with small rocks or gravel, filling the entire trailer for transport.
A woman uses a handheld spinning cleaning brush to effortlessly scrub various surfaces in her kitchen and bathroom.
A compact concrete mixer with a front-end loader scoops gravel, mixes it, and then pours the concrete directly into a ditch. An automated sewing machine precisely stitches a pattern onto a curved piece of fabric, likely for a hat or bag.
A smart shower system with a digital display and multiple spray settings is demonstrated, including a mist and waterfall mode. A waterjet cutter precisely carves intricate geometric patterns from a thick metal plate submerged in water.
A factory machine automatically punches and molds paper plates from a large roll of paper on a conveyor belt. An automated pick-and-place machine rapidly inserts electronic components, such as resistors and capacitors, onto a circuit board.
A worker uses a specialized lathe to quickly shape and polish various small objects, such as beads, from raw material. A specialized excavator attachment with a large pointed blade efficiently removes a tree stump from the ground. A powerful electromagnetic crane is used to lift and transport a large quantity of metal scrap from a truck bed to a pile on the factory floor. A CNC laser cutting machine precisely carves intricate curved patterns and holes into a large metal sheet.
A high-speed industrial machine punches a steady stream of circular metal washers from a sheet of steel.
A worker uses a wet saw to cut open large, smooth river stones, revealing the beautiful and unique patterns inside. Workers use an industrial leaf washing machine to clean large bundles of leaves for food preparation. A mechanical rice transplanter efficiently plants young rice seedlings into a muddy paddy field, creating perfectly straight rows.
A conveyor belt carries eggs through a hot coating substance before they are sorted and packaged.
A specialized tractor with a large rotating cutting wheel digs a deep, narrow trench in the ground. A large machine produces and pulls a long, continuous stream of noodle-like candy, resembling the traditional Chinese dragon's beard candy. A heavy-duty machine uses a stamping or forging process to repeatedly bend and shape a short metal cylinder.
A worker uses a specialized machine to create threads on a metal pipe, turning it into a threaded bolt. A man feeds a large log into a machine with spiked rollers, which quickly and efficiently removes the bark. A small girl uses a miniature remote-controlled excavator toy to scoop up fish from a pond into a container. A gray rubber conveyor belt moves on a roller, indicating it's used for industrial transport. A row of large blue water bottles are filled and capped by an automated machine on a fast-moving production line. A compact motorized cart with a dump bed drives through a puddle, demonstrating its ability to handle rough terrain and transport materials. A metal stamper presses a pattern onto a metal disc, creating a series of cutouts. A compact automated machine bends a piece of metal rebar, creating a perfectly shaped rebar stirrup. A portable laser welder is used to join metal parts, creating strong, precise welds with minimal sparks and heat. A woodworking machine uses multiple motorized drills to precisely and simultaneously drill holes in a curved wooden piece. A construction worker uses a portable hydraulic rebar bender to bend and shape reinforcing steel bars.
A worker uses a semi-automatic machine to efficiently cut and process large bundles of wooden dowels. A factory worker uses a machine to quickly stack and arrange newly made bricks onto a conveyor belt. A hydraulic excavator with a jackhammer attachment repeatedly breaks large rocks and concrete into smaller pieces for demolition or excavation. A worker operates a powerful hydraulic press that compresses a large pile of aluminum cans into a dense rectangular block for recycling. A person uses an industrial rebar bending machine to quickly and repeatedly bend multiple steel bars at once. A large hydraulic machine is used to punch precise holes and cut angles in metal beams. A powerful laser cutter precisely slices and cuts a curved section from a metal pipe, creating a custom T-joint connection for pipe fitting. A slitting machine unwinds a large roll of tape and then uses multiple circular blades to cut it into smaller rolls. A glass-blowing machine uses a blowtorch to heat and manipulate glass, and then adds a section to form a new glass bottle. A hot, glowing metal rod is fed from a rolling machine onto a conveyor belt, where it quickly coils into a spiral. A CNC waterjet machine uses a high-pressure water stream to cut and shape a stone with intricate interconnected patterns. A worker feeds a log into a large wood debarking machine, which uses spiked rollers to quickly and efficiently remove the bark. A
A logging machine uses a cutting head to delimb and cut a large tree trunk into smaller, more manageable sections. A hydraulic forging press flattens a glowing, red-hot metal block into a long, rectangular beam. A CNC lathe machine uses a rotating tool to precisely carve and shape a metal rod into a pointed, intricate pin. A machine uses a powerful press to compress a slab of raw material into a solid, finished building tile. A powerful machine uses spiked rollers to efficiently strip the bark from a log, preparing it for further processing. A lathe machine shaves a large log into thin, continuous sheets of wood veneer, which workers then collect. A large industrial saw cuts through a thick log, transforming it into a long, flat wooden beam. A three-wheeled dump truck is used to unload a cargo of white bags into a larger red truck below. A large machine with a conveyor belt produces and cuts corrugated concrete roof panels and hollow bricks for building construction. A farmer adds pesticide or fertilizer bottles to a device that mixes them with water from a large tank. A large industrial lathe uses a special bit to quickly shave a walnut-like object, revealing a smooth, polished surface underneath the textured exterior. A close-up video shows a person using a spot welding machine to connect multiple cylindrical batteries with small metal strips. A large industrial machine uses rollers to split and peel a thick armored cable, separating the various layers and inner wires. A winch system with a braided cable is used to pull and lay new electrical cables through an underground conduit. A large machine in a factory quickly sorts and stacks paper pages, demonstrating a high-speed industrial printing and binding process.